Ross, and welcome to Win Anyway Live. It is Speaking Tip Tuesday. The first thing I want to say is, hey, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not selling anything today, even though it may look like it. Toastmasters. So many of my friends, so many of you are Toastmasters. People who love to speak, and a few of you who wish they could go from speaking in Toastmasters to speaking professionally, either getting paid to go speak or speaking in a way that they get paid because they spoke. Say you own a business and you go somewhere and talk about your business and you get business from that talk about your business. That's professional speaking, the two sides of the coin. There are some other aspects that I have said that I'm going to talk about in the future, and I guess that future is still in the future. Well, I am part of a Toastmasters club called Professional Presenters here in Denver. We got together years ago. They got together, I didn't join, I don't think, until maybe 6 months in or a year in. But it was a bunch of people who were either already doing some professional speaking, some of them were in the National Speakers Association, but they wanted to create a group where they could get together, give longer professional speeches, get professional oriented feedback that wasn't necessarily, all unicorns and rainbows, but hey, this is working professionally, this isn't working, you really need to look at changing this, yet still in a supportive atmosphere. And it's been a group I've been a part of now for probably 8 years. Great group of people, constantly shifting in terms of the members that we have, but it's always people who want to do something professionally. Some of them aren't even Toastmasters anywhere else but in our specialty club. And so I really encourage you to come by. We meet on the first, third, and if there is a fifth Tuesday at 7 o'clock Mountain Time every month. Those fifth Tuesdays are important because those fifth Tuesdays we try to have a special meeting. We often bring in a special guest. And tonight we've brought in Lois Kramer, who a lot of you may recognize that name. She's done some other Toastmasters meetings around the world, but she is a very well-known, very successful professional speaker who talks to people about how to really define their message and how to take that message out into the real world. And tonight, you can see her for free. We've got a 2-hour meeting. She's going to be speaking and answering questions for the majority of it. Her presentations are very interactive, so you may have a chance to talk with her, to ask her a question about your own particular speaking situation. I can't guarantee it, but you'll definitely learn just by being there. So below, you're going to see a link to sign up at Eventbrite for the event tonight. And I do want to encourage you to attend this evening. And if you can't attend this evening, attend future meetings of professional presenters. We now have people who attend, obviously, from all over the world. And the goal is really just to help push people closer to their goal, to bring a bunch of like-minded folks who all want to move to the next level together to push each other to that next level. So I'm not selling you anything. Come free tonight. 10 professional presenters. Meet Lois Kramer. Get some great ideas on what you can do to take your message out to the world and make some money doing it. Because, hey, COVID or no COVID, recovery or no recovery, you could still make money in speaking one way or another. Speak anyway.